It's been too up high. So if I'm concerned, I should really just close it down because I'm just torturing myself. Technically, that's what's going on here. We're not gonna trade of it. We're not gonna trade of it. Who am I fooling? Yeah, I think, yeah, let's just close it. I'm just teasing myself. Teasing myself is stuff that I shouldn't be really concerned about. So my personal statistic does not allow um, to take the trades that up high. That's again like only tradable when it comes up there. It's great level. It's great volume. Can technically go without us. And now it forms the local extremum. So here's the transitory extremum. And here's our local. So yeah, it's in the condor in between this two. And we'll be just waiting for the price to interact with either of those. And then we'll make our decisions accordingly. Interesting level. I'm concerned it didn't touch this level, so it didn't have enough strength to manipulate T1. And that was the bar level, and it's below 0.5. It's in a good point for like this, but as for the entire upward movement, yeah, it's retesting, it's testing the bar level, and it didn't have enough strength to manipulate T1. So it's kind of indication of not enough strength on the buying side. Anyhow, we can only trade it once it goes here, and I think at this point it will interact with the monthly level again. So Comcast we can close to. Nvidia is once again so up high. We should I shouldn't be bothering myself. I cannot allow myself these trades at this point of my personal statistics, right? So let's just forget about it. Our military stock grinds higher and higher and higher. Same deal. It's like I'm not gonna be trading this stock, so I shouldn't be really be watching them. We should only play of the cash. I was lost for a second. Yeah, we should only play of the good monthly levels. Again, this is stretched. Yeah, I don't like it at all. Or Pepsi, technically, it can go. It's way below 0.5, but it can go from here. I would keep an eye on this one. Yeah, this is a transitory extremum. Daily. Home Depot closing below, so this is not a level anymore. It's broken. It's reversing, and now it's looking down. I'm going deep underground. Was it Jimmy? It was Jimmy Choir. Yeah. Home Depot goes down. Once again, yeah. Shouldn't be playing Home Depot unless it goes correct here. Let's get some discipline, you guys. Same deal. It's not our guy. Not on daily. You should just keep an eye on monthly. Qs. Give me more stocks. Give me more stocks to work. Oh, it's our Pepsi. Yeah, Pepsi is good. Qs are also Hear the strains. They bother me. Yeah. No, stop watching. You can keep an eye, but it's just like spending time and energy on the stuff that it's not tradable for me at this point of my career. Check out this guy though. And I wrote a support ticket. You see how it's the lowest of that day is 0.50 on daily chart, but on hourly it's 0.58. And depending on which, we have a different charting. So technically on hourly, so see if I move it to to how it looks on daily. Yeah, yeah, now it touched. We'll wait for an answer. I'm just curious to 50, 50. So see if I put it like tick to tick on daily, on hourly it will have this little gap. Is it an evening session that gets in consideration? And then we have this situation. And technically, test resumption. There was nothing on 5 minute that we could have played off. So yeah, technically, and there is splash of volume. It's far, far, far from the biggest volume of the um, short trend, even if seen from here, especially seen from here. There's no point to see it from there, but yeah, there's a bunch of volume on our face. This entire volume, like all the volume is in our face. However, that's our system, and it's within our system, like all of this volume is in our face. That if it tests and resumes, it's tradable, and like I'm far less scared to be. It's extended on monthly. However, that was a spring, 2 bar spring with a splash of volume, and now it tests this spring. So yeah, okay, just like too small, and it's like in 0.5 of this test. Also, it's unclear how to chart it here because there was like a short bar, it was a long bar, and it's another long bar. So technically it was short based of how this one closed. So yeah, we'll keep it like this, but it's also possible that there is no T2 level here whatsoever. And then we don't have these levels. Regardless, it's not bad on monthly. I mean, if it breaks all the way down here and goes here, mm, then we're screwed. But I've seen from the previous T1. Oh, see this? Yeah, that's T1 expanding, expanding, and that's the previous T1. That's the previous T2. So you see, it's like perfect for, unless there is a major crisis, and then we're screwed. I'm screwed like half a price. I don't think it's possible at this point. Anything is possible, but I don't think it's gonna happen. So yeah, this is my watch list for tomorrow. Let's go through everything real quick. Let's just get realistic one more time. Uh, yeah, I don't want to like spend our time watching the stocks that um, I'm not gonna be buying that high. Our plug. What's going on with plug on daily? Yeah, you see spring test close below the spring. Yeah, that would have kissed our virtual stop loss. So then we would like just wait for the break even, which would have happened today. So technically it broke this test level. Yeah, also important to note that this is a test level, but 0.5, but 0.5, but 0.5. we'll keep on watching this guy. Yeah. So we're not gonna watch it here. Only when it comes to correction. Let's establish the rule. So we only buy US stocks when it corrects to the monthly level. Qualcomm, the biggest volumes here. Once again, what are you gonna do with this? Yeah, it should be more real. Like in the future, we can trade off these levels in continuation of the trend. In today's actuality, I should not be doing that. Only of the you see coin bounced as well. Yeah, boom, gone through this volume. So I'm keeping it in my portfolio for now. IBM, this guy. Qs. Visa, I'm not gonna be playing it here. Only of the monthly. Why don't we have the 0.5 though on the monthly? Yeah, MasterCard. Yeah, let's be realistic. It's all like due to. Yeah, this can play this. I'd rather play stock like of this 0.5 than in continuation of the impulse. Impulse is a strong thing to play along with. However, my statistic is not good enough so that I can risk this virtual stop. HSBC. It tests the spring now. Yeah, it's got to come in here so that we can trade it. This guy, yes. And if you have some more stocks for me, let me know. BMI needs to spring this level. Well, realistically, according to our rules, it will have to break above and go higher. Our Pfizer, it's in the middle of nowhere. We still keep an eye on it, but I don't know for which sake. Let's just keep it open. This needs to go to monthly level. That needs to correct to 0.5. Pepsi, we know everything about Pepsi. I tests. It's open. Casco, only when it corrects to 0.5. British American Tobacco. Philip Morris. That looks good. That looks good. And it's in a balance right now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So when it comes here, if it does, we can trade it right off this level. Philip Morris, same deal. 1, 2, 1, 2. Target or CVS. What happened on CVS? Yeah. CVS test. We could have joined here. Yeah, that was the trade on daily. Home Depot. Yeah, needs to correct. XI. This guy we have on our yeah, needs to decide where it want to go. And technically, we can trade on hourly right of this level. When it comes here, we can trade it right away. Yeah. Um, General Dynamics, high up. Lockheed Martin, you see, let us out and grinds lower. You see, boom, boom. Good call. Good call. This is far, far, far above. Huh. Oh, and we don't short. I'm sorry. Getting too excited. We don't short on US stocks. Comcast. What was the deal on the Comcast? Yeah, it needs to go to this level. Vale, Valley. What do you call it? Yeah. UPS. It's interesting. If it comes here, turn. Well, technically, yeah, no. Microsoft grinds higher. This guy's in the balance, so we can pick it up from here. TNA. No. Yeah. If you guys have suggestions to add, let me know. We need more stocks to trade. This can go like this. Like this. Dun. Everything is so high. Not everything, but market is so high up. Johnson and Johnson 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. No. Procter and Gamble. Pipion. Coca-Cola. Maybe today later I'll explore more stocks and ETFs. Only dividends. So our criteria, guys, is that we want stock to be paying dividends. Stock ETF doesn't matter. So that if we get stock in it, we can enjoy dividends while the stock decides where to go. It's kind of rough criteria, but it's again considering my statistics. Gotta play safe, like super safe when choosing my portfolio. So those are trades, but if it doesn't go my direction, I can only have the stocks I don't mind to hodl. and enjoy the stock, enjoy the dividends. Yeah, something like this. Biggest volume was here. You can give it that. It's still it has room to go. Let's not pollute our. And we should be like super careful nowadays because of how high. SPY is at all-time highs. You guys. There's some poetry for you. SPY is at all-time highs, you guys. That would be a good level. Do you think it's balance? It's not. Okay. Yeah, this is a good place to short. This is a good place to short, you guys. It's a balance one too, and like whatever count you do, it's a balance. And you see, it broke above. See this volume sets a new transitory extremum. Oh, we're doing second round. I need more stocks. I think like this evening, I'll do more stocks. It sounds crazy, but I'm gonna go do my brunch because I haven't eaten yet. And after that, we can sit down and explore more stocks. Yeah, so it's like this now. Deciding where it wants to go. Well, technically, you see how like tight is it, and yet high is 0.41 and here is 55. So technically it broke up. It does it all the time. It does this all the time. It breaks up only just like to go lower, to just not give you the upthrust. And anyways, you cannot count this an upthrust. You would have to test it on this volume. Yeah, and it's like far above 0.5. So it's new levels that it formed. But anyhow, but Russell 2000 starts looking really, really bearish. Per SPY. So like small caps are bearish. Whereas SPY is bullish and Dow Jones still bullish, but spread like you see divergence, spread narrows, volume grows. Yeah. I think we're due correction. But anywho, I'm gonna go eat and later, like in an hour, I'll do another stream and I'll be looking for more stocks.